Before buying a quiet air compressor, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Timbertech Mini Compressor. The Timbertech upgraded airbrush mini compressor. Priced at $85.99, this little gem caught my attention with its compact design and quiet operation at just 50 decibels. If you want a reliable compressor that won't disrupt your creative flow, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Timbertech has a 3-liter tank and a pulse-free output of 23 liters per minute, which means you can use it for detailed airbrush work without interruptions. It's perfect for artists, nail technicians, and anyone needing precision without the noise. Plus, the built-in cooling fan will extend its lifespan, ensuring you get good use out of it. Now, some people complained about the fact that it's only suitable for airbrushes and not for other tools. Here's the thing though, if you're focused on detailed work like painting or tattoos, this isn't a deal breaker, but rather a specific advantage. This is perfect for you if you're an artist or hobbyist looking for a quiet solution for detailed projects. Skip this one if you're planning to use it for heavy-duty tasks. Honestly, at this price, it's a solid investment for precision work without the noise. Now, if you need a bit more power, the next product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 2, MZB Ultra Quiet Compressor. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. The MZB 6.4-gallon Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. Priced at $117.99, this one stands out with a noise level of just 70 decibels. If you're working on various projects, this one's worth a serious look. The MZB packs a punch with a powerful 1.2 HP motor that can fill its steel tank in just 58 to 64 seconds. This rapid inflation means you won't waste time waiting around. It's also compatible with multiple tools, from nail guns to air drills, covering all your DIY needs. The 2 professional silencers really help keep the noise down, making it ideal for home use without disturbing the piece. Now, I did notice some complaints about the portability due to its weight. Here's the thing though. While it's not the lightest, the wheels make it easy to maneuver around your workspace, so it's not a huge drawback. This is perfect for you if you're into woodworking or automotive repairs and need a reliable, quiet compressor. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. For the features and performance, it's a great value for the price. Next, if you need something even quieter, let's check out the next option. Product number 3, Limo Quiet Compressor. If the weight of the MZB bothered you, you might want to take a look at the Limo Quiet Air Compressor. At $161.49, this 5-gallon compressor operates at an impressively low 68 decibels. If you're working in close quarters or at home, this might be the one for you. The Limo offers an oil-free design and delivers 2.8 CFM at 90 psi, making it a strong contender for everything from nailing to spray painting. The quick connect fitting allows for easy setup, and it even comes with a 13-piece accessory kit so you can get started right away. It fills from empty to full in just 80 seconds, which is fantastic for keeping your workflow smooth. However, some users noted that it might struggle under continuous heavy use. Here's the thing. If you're primarily using it for projects with intermittent air demands, this won't be an issue. It's designed for efficiency and convenience. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer who needs something quiet and efficient for home projects. Skip this one if you plan on using it for heavy-duty commercial tasks. Overall, it's a solid mid-range option with a lot to offer. Next up, we have a dependable brand that many recognize.
Product number 4, DeWalt Quiet Compressor. The DeWalt air compressor for trim is next on the list. Priced at $279, it operates at 71.5 decibels, which is still relatively quiet. If you're looking for something that can handle multiple nailers, this is worth a serious look. With a 200 psi max and 3.0 SCFM delivered at 90 psi, this compressor can fire a lot of nails quickly, which is perfect for contractors or serious DIY enthusiasts. It's designed to be lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport from job to job. The oil-free pump ensures you have less maintenance to worry about, which is a big plus. Now, I did find some users were unhappy with the size of the tank, feeling it could be larger. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for finish work and not demanding continuous high air output, the tank size is more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or someone who often works with nailers. Skip this one if you need something for heavy, continuous duty use. Given its features and reliability, it offers great value for the price. Finally, let's check out a compact option that excels in quiet operation.
Product number 5, Metabo HPT Quiet Compressor. The Metabo HPT Quiet Air Compressor. At $188.99, this ultra-quiet compressor operates at just 59 decibels. If you're after something that's super portable and low maintenance, this is worth considering. The Metabo HPT weighs only 25.2 pounds and features a quick coupler for fast tool changes, making it easy to switch between tasks. Its compact design means you can easily carry it around your workspace. Plus, it offers high durability with no maintenance required, which is fantastic if you want something hassle-free. However, some users pointed out that the 1-gallon tank may be limiting for larger projects. Here's the thing. For small to medium tasks, this is perfect, as it's designed for efficiency and convenience, and the quick refill time compensates for the smaller tank. This is perfect for you if you need something lightweight and quiet for home use or small projects. Skip this one if you're tackling larger jobs that require more air capacity. At this price point, it's a great investment for casual users who value quiet operation.
So there you have it, 5 of the best quiet air compressors out there today. The Timbertech is great for artists. The MCB offers versatility. The Limo excels in home use. The DeWalt is perfect for contractors. And the Metabo HPT is ideal for portability. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but all of them aim to make your next project smoother and quieter.